The impact of chronic stress on our health. We often hear about chronic stress, but what impact does it really have on our health? When we go through a stressful period, our body releases cortisol, the stress hormone. In the short term, this is a normal reaction, which helps us to cope with the challenges of everyday life. But when this stress becomes permanent, our body becomes exhausted. We can feel constant fatigue, sleep disorders, muscle tension, and even a drop in immune defenses. In the long term, this can also increase the risk of anxiety, burnout, or cardiovascular disorders. So how can we better manage stress on a daily basis? First of all, moving is essential. Physical activity helps reduce the production of cortisol and promotes relaxation. Then, it is important to take time for yourself with relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Diet also plays a key role. Cutting back on caffeine and choosing magnesium-rich foods like almonds or dark chocolate can help calm the nervous system. Finally, don't hesitate to talk about it. Sharing your emotions with those close to you or a professional can make a real difference. Stress is a part of life, but it is possible to manage it better. What are your tips for finding your balance again? Tell us in the comments.